Hi friends, welcome to another video. I have decided that I am going to start doing Weight Watchers Wednesdays videos. It may not be every Wednesday, but I'm going to try to do as many Wednesdays as possible. And they're going to be all quick and easy Weight Watchers friendly recipes. And I will always try to put the point value on each recipe for you guys, as long as I can find the point value for it. But I will be doing that for you because I think it'd be really fun. I know it's the beginning of a new year. Everyone is trying to, well, not everyone, but a lot of people are trying to maybe lose weight, just be healthier, and just try something new. And I think that Weight Watchers is a really fun thing to do. It worked for me when I was doing it, and I want to get back out onto it. And I think that the recipes are really easy and fun, super simple, and I want to bring it along with you. So my first Weight Watchers Wednesday video that I'm doing for this series is going to be a kind of like a treat, a snack. It's a power snack that you can eat in the morning, on the run, if you're running late to work, if you're running late to meet up with your friends or something, just so you get something in your stomach, or if you just need a little pick-me-up in the middle of the day. So I saw this recipe on Pinterest. And I will try to put a link to it in the description box below, just so you guys know that I'm not stealing anyone's ideas. So I will show you guys this, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, so first things first, you need to set your oven to 400 degrees. And what you will need is 1 egg white, a cup and a half of the Kodiak Cakes Power Cakes pancake mix, a cup of the Fruity Pebbles cereal, and 3/4 of a cup of water. Now you can always dip it in sugar-free maple syrup if you'd like to add a little bit extra sweetness to it, but I'm not showing that in this video. You will need a medium-sized mixing bowl and a mini muffin pan. You will need the 1.5 cup of the Kodiak Power Cake mix. Now add your 3/4 cup of water. And now add your egg white. And now add your cup of Fruity Pebbles cereal. And now mix it all together. And now I'm going to spray the muffin pan with some vegetable oil spray. I don't really think it's going to add any points to it just because of how little bit of vegetable oil is going to be there, but maybe add a point if you really want to, if you're that conscious about it. going to want to cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. I ended up actually cooking it for 10 minutes, and this is how they turned out. The top of them are not smooth like a muffin, but when you lift them up, they do look like a muffin. It is a power protein pancake muffin that you can have for an easy breakfast or an on-the-go treat. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you are new, you decide that you want to stay. So subscribe and give me a like. That'd be fantastic. And I'll be making a lot more of these videos for you guys, and a lot more other videos for you guys as well. If you're into cleaning videos and other recipe videos, DIY videos, and shopping haul videos and grocery haul videos, definitely subscribe, because that is all coming up soon. Oh, and decluttering videos too. Trust me, I'm doing that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye now.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away.